So you're a business owner or someone who just started something on the side. Now, how do you promote your products and services? Here are a few ways to do it. Now, but the truth is, there's no one single way or one single strategy to do this. If you look at the giants, the greats, the big companies, they in fact combine a few digital marketing strategies to form their strategy, right? Now, this is what we're going to cover in Real Digital Marketing Workshop. And we're going to cover 5 major topics. Of course, there are more, right? But 5 major topics, and let me go through them with you. So, social media is something that a lot of businesses needs to be present in. Email marketing is a heavily underused tool because a lot of people do not know how to use it or how to write emails that converts. Paid advertising can be very tempting. People are just throwing money into Facebook ads or Google ads, but they do not have a strategy and they do not even track their ads. Number 4, SEO or search engine optimization is the process of ranking your sites up to the pages of Google, and in fact it's one of my favorite ways to gain traffic that would turn into profits, right? The 5th one, affiliate marketing, is a method to actually market online without any products and services to make money or to really monetize online. So I found success with affiliate marketing with one of my sites, audiomentor.com, and I want to share with you how I did all this. Alright, so this is going to be happening in Real Digital Marketing Workshop. That's going to be on the 21st February at 7 p.m. And you have to bring your laptop because this is going to be a hands-on practical workshop. Okay, now I want to share all of these techniques with you so you can apply this to your business or to your venture. So again, see you in Real Digital Marketing on the 21st of February, that's a Thursday at 7 p.m. I'll place down the links in the video here or in the comment section of this video. So see you and thanks.